Hello traders, today we are analyzing gold. It will be our first pair. I will start from weekly chart. This is our order block that grab liquidity here. Let's go to a lower time frame. So now as you can see we have breakout market structure on 4-hour time frame. We have demand zone, we have market structure shift, and we have OTE zone. Now what I see now, price wants to mitigate our weekly order block, and as you notice we already here. We see bullish volume. We have also divergence on 2-hour time frame, on 1-hour time frame. We see imbalance. Only we need to wait confirmation. I put alarm here. That will be our this will be our 5-minute boss. We're waiting for confirmation on 5-minute time frame. And our target will be till this imbalance. Yes. Let's mark that is our imbalance on 4-hour time frame. When price confirms breakout, from here will be exactly our entry. Let's go to another pair. As you can see, we have ascending channel. This is our weekly Fibonacci. We already mitigate this level 0.5. And now what I see now, we have breakout market structure on 1 day. We have daily demand. We have reaction. We see volume, bullish volume, and we have confirmation already on 1-hour time frame with imbalance, and this exactly our demand zone. It's a order block that grab liquidity. It shows power of buyers, and I expected here reversal after closing imbalance. Let's go to another, oh sorry, and our take profit will be till this gap. GBP/USD. As you see, we in a rising structure. We have liquidity. Here price grab all liquidity, no tails, no shadows. It's also signal that sellers are stopped and now dominate buyers. Now as you see, we have price grab this liquidity, break of market structure on 1 hour time frame. We have demand zone, and price wants to mitigate this horizontal level plus mitigate our order block. Don't forget to subscribe, drop the like, give the comment and use stop loss. Have a great day.